I sincerely thank Abdullah Al Mamun sir for his constructive and encouraging speech. And I also thank MD Sabir Hossain sir for his speech. Now I will finish our program. Thank you all for your valuable discussions and suggestions. To get updates on our activities, follow our page, Be Researcher BD, BRBD. Join our group and subscribe to our YouTube channel. We are happy to inform you that we are now a family of nearly 60,000 members, including group page and channel, within 3 years only. �𝐨𝐻 𝐒𝐲𝐬𝐡𝐨𝐩 Be Researcher BD, BRBD, and invite your research enthusiast friends to our platform. Thank you for being with us. Wish you all success and good health. Goodbye. Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.
আসসালামু আলাইকুম ওয়া রাহমাতুল্লাহ।